Good morning students. In this video we are going to be learn about prime and composite number. Okay, so first of all, prime and composite number. Here we can see two words, which first one is prime number and second is composite number. Okay, so we'll see what is meant by prime number and what is meant by composite number through the definition. Okay, so first of all they said the prime number. About prime number, they are saying a number which has only two factor, one and the number itself. Okay, so the prime number is a number which have only two factor. First one it should be 1 and second one the number itself. Okay, so now composite number. A number which has more than two factor is called composite number. Simple as it. For prime number, what they need? They need only two factor, and for composite number they need more than two factor. Okay, so first of all we'll check the numbers. Here numbers are written and we'll find the factors and we'll verify which is the primary number and which is composite number. Okay, so first number is 2. For finding the factor of 2, how we can find? We have to see in which table 2 is coming. Okay, so in one table 2 is coming. Yes, we have to write like this. Okay, in one table 2 is coming. Yes. In 2 table 2 is coming. Yes. In 3 table 2 is coming. No. Okay, so now the next number is 3. So we'll start always with 1. In 1 table 3 is coming. Yes. In 2 table 3 is coming. No. In 3 table 3 is coming. Yes. Okay, more than these two number 3 is not coming in any number. Okay, so first of all 4. Now in one table 4 is coming. Yes. Okay, in 2 table, yes, 2 2s are 4. In 3 table, no. In 4 table, 4 is coming. Yes. Okay. Now the next number is 5. Okay, we'll check from 1. In 1 table, 5 is coming. Yes. In 2 table, 5 is coming. No. In 3 table, 5 is coming. No. In 4 table also 5 is coming. No. In 5 table 5 is coming. Yes. 5 ones are 5. So you will find two factor here, 1 and 5. The next number is 6. Now we'll check. In 1 table 6 is coming. Yes. In 2 table, yes. In 3 table, yes. In 4 table 6 is coming. No. In 5 table, no. In 6 table, yes. Okay, here we are finding 4 factors. Okay, so now we'll verify which is, now these numbers we have find the factor. Later on you can do that. Okay, but now for prime number, what they are saying, a number which has only two factor. That means for prime number, how many factor we need? 2. So, and what is the condition? First number should be 1 and the second number should be the number itself. Okay, so we'll check in this factors which is the prime numbers. Okay, so first of all we'll check 2. Now 2 having how many factor? 2 factors. Okay, so first one is 1 and the second number is 2. That means the number itself. So this will be prime number. Clear? Now the second number is 3. 3 having how many factors? 2. First one is 1 and second one is the number itself, means 3 itself. Okay, so this also will be a prime number because it is satisfy the condition of prime numbers. Okay, so now in 4 factor, how many factor it is? 3 factor. But for prime number, how many factor we need? 2 factors. Okay, so this will be not a prime number. So what will be this? Okay, we'll check. Composite number, a number which has more than 2 factor is called composite number. For composite number, how many factors we need? We need more than 2 factors. So any number which having more than 2 factor will called as a composite number. Clear? So 4 is a composite number. Now 5 having how many factor? We having 2 factors, so this will be prime number. Now 6 having how many factor? We have 4 factors, so this will be composite number. Clear? Now 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, there are so many numbers. You can find the factor and you can give the name which is prime number, which is composite number. Okay.